y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I react to police chases, we got APD and GSP in pursuit of a stolen charger that was fleeing. So that looks like APD. This is a GSP unit. And that's the black charger. Is that the undefeated black charger? Y'all smash the like button. Let me know. If you want to join the liftoff mob, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to take these glasses off. I know they look cool, but I cannot see. For those who is their first time watching a police chase with me, if the cops catch this guy running in this charger, or bad guys in general, I clap it up for him. You know what I mean? I have some confetti, and I got donuts, and I get a cop some donuts. You know what I mean? And it looks like they're gonna work for this donut today. They still clearing intersections. He not going by the rules at all. He just flying. But GSP is catching him. He must have a flat or something. It's like he damn near waiting for him. What scumbag turns into some freaking apartments, townhouses? Like, are you dumb or dumb? Look at him. Check him out. Them niggas was gone. I know y'all see that. Them niggas was gone. I'm gonna hit the like button. Shout out to State Boys for the video. Original video will be in the description. I got on my Lions jacket today. It's actually my dad's. The Lions play the Bucks today. It's Monday. Looking forward to watching that. Any Lions fans in the house? Hey, hey. I wouldn't say I'm a Lions fan. I'm just in Michigan. Like, why would you not, you know? I'm only giving the cops the donut if they get these guys. If I don't see them put them in a car, it won't be no donut. I'll clap it up for them. But they gotta work for this damn donut. They gonna work for this damn donut. Them boys snatched off on their ass. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Snatch off on your ass, you know.
Oh yeah, I got eyes on you. He went down those woods. Southeastbound through those woods. So we get a unit over to Wolf Lane in Hollingsworth. 1761 Hollingsworth. Phoenix, I think he's moving around. He's moving this way to the woods. Hey, son.
Is this the remainder of the footage? What the heck, boys?
Alright, that unit that just stopped at Wolf Lane and Hollingsworth Boulevard, that house directly behind you, he was running towards that backyard.
So I'm going to begin reading the report. On July 21st, 2021, at approximately 2300 hours, a vehicle bearing a Georgia license plate was flagged as a hijack car by a license plate reader, LPR. In Fulton County, the vehicle's last known location was Ellsworth Industrial Boulevard near Huff Road. The picture of the vehicle was a black Dodge Charger. The tag information returned to a stolen 2019 Dodge Charger. The Dodge was reported stolen from the Atlanta Police Department. Phoenix, Atlanta police helicopter spotted the Dodge on Boyd Street, turning onto Huff Road at approximately 2307 hours. I observed the Dodge Charger pass me with no lights on after activating my lights. It's typos in this report, so like, I know I sound mad illiterate. Bear with me, y'all. Smash the like button. 5 likes, and I'll go back to school. No, 10 likes. 10 likes. The driver rapidly accelerated and beginning to flee at a high rate on the wrong side of the road. Okay, y'all can read the report, bro. I give up. I give up. I'm at like a... What grade reading level y'all think I'm at? Cause I started off pretty good, didn't I? I started off good, y'all. So don't even try to do me like that, all right?
If you guys just want to start setting up the perimeter, we'll have one guy on Wilbur, and then you guys off of Hollingsworth and Wolf. And the wheels are pretty thick, so we'll be the whole we've got. We'll have a wide view.
But specifically what I want to see from the report is if they caught these guys.
Hey, did you see me? My light. I got his shoes right here.
Okay. And usually my rule of thumb on this show where I react to police chases, if they do not get it on camera, it did not happen. Okay? So I'm reading the report. It was a short manhunt. They got the K9s out. They got these damn guys. But where's the footage? This should all be public. Don't y'all agree? But anyways, let's clap it up for GSP, APD. Hey man, y'all did a good job, bro. If my black Dodge 2019 got stolen, bro, I need y'all on their boots, bro. I need them niggas running, tossing the strap, all of that. Get the dogs out. You feel me? Not about to steal my shit, hijack my you feel me? So great job on their part. They just was, I don't know. They used their resources effectively, you know what I mean? They couldn't outrun the chopper. There's no way you were going to outrun the chopper. It's just no way. And I'm definitely sure that thing was probably a V6. The way it got caught by the V8. Definitely a V6. But anyways, let me know in the comments what y'all thought about this chase. I think this is pretty crazy just because like at first when the chase first started off, I thought it was the black Charger that be putting belt to ass. You know what I mean? Y'all got to see the video of the black Charger putting belt to ass on a Black Hawk unit. This is in Atlanta, Georgia. You know what I mean? Whatever we want to call it. But usually these black Chargers don't take L's. In this case, you know? But anyways, it's been a good one. If you want to join the Liftoff mob, did I say Liftoff gang? I hope I really didn't say that. It's Liftoff mob. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's get 10 likes. Like I said, maybe I'll go read a book. You know what I mean? Something. I don't know. I said school, but you know what I mean? It's kind of going to be hard doing what I'm promising here, but I'll read like a chapter of a book. All right. Anyways, man, grab another snack, man. I got some trail mix. I know y'all like trail mix. Who's old enough to drink, man? Grab you a drink, grab a donut, and see if you can earn yourself the donut watching these police chases, because it do get wild out here. And I know it's almost Halloween, you know what I mean? You definitely got some apple cider, some good donuts around. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace, y'all.
I get faded, yeah. I do that cause I made it, Yeah, Jerry, bitch, we dated, yeah, we dated. But I never made that statement, no, I won't. I seen her out, man, let's spin around, yeah. Spin a block, man, I'm get down. She said chill, it's the 10